This is 100,000 milligrams of pure menthol, and I'm going to use it to make the world's strongest cough drop.
Menthol produces a cooling sensation, but it doesn't do that by actually cooling anything. It doesn't evaporate away like alcohol, thus pulling away heat. It doesn't endothermically dissolve like ammonium nitrate. What it does is it actually directly triggers nerve receptors in your skin that also detect actual cold temperatures. And so here I'm following a homemade cough drop recipe that I got from a Doomsday Prepper website, and I'm just modifying it by adding a lot of menthol.
This cough drop has 500 milligrams of menthol, half a gram. Let's go. Oh, God. Okay, Everclear. Man, that is disgusting. Now, on the plus side, my sinuses are clear.